I've been testing the TP-Link Tapo C545D, and honestly, it's one of those cameras that feels a bit overbuilt in a good way. What makes it stand out is the dual lens setup. You've got a wide-angle lens constantly watching the full scene, and then a second motorized telephoto lens that kicks in when AI detects motion. So instead of just recording everything, it actually tracks people, pets, or vehicles and follows them across your yard. It's surprisingly smooth in real use. Setup is pretty straightforward in the Tapo app, and I like that you don't get forced into a subscription just to get smart detections or alerts. Everything runs locally, and you can even store footage on a micro SD card. Now, it's not perfect. The 15 frames per second does mean fast movement can look a bit choppy, and you'll need a permanent power connection since there's no battery option. But overall, if you want wide coverage with proper tracking and no monthly fees, this is a solid mid-range outdoor security upgrade.